So today's question is, I'm going overseas and I want to work in IT sector. I'm from non-IT background. What should I learn? As you know, there is a huge demand of IT people overseas and even locally. There are a number of other non-tech jobs you can do if you're not interested in going for software development or technical role. I would recommend to learn SEO to help you get started. Some of the reason I will recommend SEO is it is not very technical and anyone who can read and write English can easily learn. It is high in demand and there is very good future for SEO professionals across the world. Also, SEO is a long-term strategy which shows that you will never be out of job, as every business will need to be present on Google searches or else their customer will never be able to find their products or services. Also, SEO executives are not needed to work in a huge team like other roles. So you have the opportunity to work from home. If you want to find out more reasons, then join our SEO community to ask any questions. Connect with us if you want to become a certified SEO professional and start your career.